How to enable or disable night shift in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on display and brightness. After clicking on display and brightness, then scroll down and here you can see the option night shift. Now click on night shift and here you can see the option scheduled. Now here you can turn on it and then click on time, and here you can set a time, turn on time and turn off time. After that, go back and here you can turn on your manually enable until tomorrow. It will change your screen color. After that, the another way to enable or disable your night shift, then simply swipe down to your control center and then press and hold on brightness icon. Now here you can see the option night shift. Now here you can turn on or off your night shift. So this is the way to enable or disable night shift in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.